I made the decision to dismiss the state charges against Rita Crundwell based on a number of factors, primarily the fact that the Illinois Code of Corrections requires the court to enter a concurrent sentence, which means that the most she would receive in the state court would be 15 years. She's already required to serve 16 and a half years in the federal sentence. So by furthering prosecution, it would basically incur a substantial financial burden without any further penalties being able to be imposed.
Yeah, the state's attorney made the best decision for the county, the taxpayers that she serves as well. This wasn't about whether or not Rita should be punished more, because she concluded appropriately that she couldn't be. Any punishment that would have been exacted from Ms. Crundwell would have been concurrent in time with the federal court, and in fact would have been less time than she's going to serve in the federal court. In the unlikely event that her appeal reduces her time significantly, the state's attorneys preserved an opportunity to refile the charge. So she's essentially dismissed it without prejudice today. So there's the opportunity to re-examine the file if she needs to in the future, but as we heard today, I don't think she expects that to happen. Well, I know she did the right thing. She's out to protect the taxpayers, and she did. And she's also doing her job, which is seeking justice where it's to be found. In this case, there would have been only a penalty exacted against the taxpayers and no more penalty against the defendant that she's charged with prosecuting. So by serving a concurrent term in a state court, she'd be serving less time and there'd be no additional penalties. So she did the right thing.
From the beginning, did you kind of know that it would go this way, being the federal case and the state case kind of encompassing?
Well, I liked the motion to dismiss that we filed, because I think it was there couldn't have been anything that mirrored exactly the charges in federal court than what the state charges were. In fact, they were considered in federal court before the plea and during sentencing. So we had a good double jeopardy discussion, and I believe that those grounds filed in the motion to dismiss would have prevailed also.